Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. A rewarding escape is what this carefully thought out and modernly designed property offers. Make it your vacation home or investment property. This villa sits on a little over half acre of land and expands to the Caribbean Sea with direct beach access. Pelican Bar on the horizon, and a backyard full of adventure. It boasts two-seated gazebos, a gaming gazebo, a covered, fully equipped barbecue area with a bar and lounge perfect for entertaining. Cool off in the infinity pool with its relaxing fall, or gaze on the cascading and expanded fountain with its flora and fauna. This property is being sold fully furnished with four bedrooms, three and a half baths, a large kitchen, indoor and outdoor dining areas, two seating areas, three balconies, and equipped laundry room, all exquisitely designed. It is fully AC'd, and all bedrooms and seating areas also has ceiling fans. There is a separate four bedrooms, two bath house for staff. This entire property is powered by solar power. Capitalize on this opportunity by calling now. Guys, let's take a look at this home, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.1 million or Jamaican $174.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.